Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Seed Coaching Center, Patna, Bihar. Bihar is one of the poorest and educationally, economically backward states of India. The capital of Bihar, Patna, is the most populated district. The total Muslim minority population of Patna is approximately 206,581. Literacy rate in Muslim is 43.82%. It is far less than the general literacy rate. One thing that is clear from these figures is that the literacy rate in the high concentration Muslim areas is far less than the national average and is less than the state average also. Seed Coaching Center, in collaboration with the Quran Foundation, has been established to overcome the limitations of quality education in backward areas. We believe that by providing an opportunity of high quality education and vocational training, we can catalyze the rural and urban growth and hence the growth of the country. The objective of Seed Coaching Center is to set up an infrastructure which is not only used for providing high quality education but also for providing other training requirements of the area, be it computer training, training and English language, and competitive examination like SSC, bank, BSSC, etc., or anything that can promote growth. The huge requirement of the Computer Training Center, Seed Coaching Center has been undertaking the task of establishing computer center and free coaching classes for skill development and income generating activities at rural and urban areas of Patna. The program is designed in such a way to provide extensive technical and entrepreneurial skill training to urban and rural educated youth to enable them to enter in different courses and get suitable employment venues. The computer center and free coaching classes reach to those students who do not have an access to information technology, preparing to competitive exam at all. We also target to reach to those families who cannot afford to send their children to good computer education or coaching classes. We focus on youngsters who are unable to pursue their higher studies or meet vocational training costs or competitive classes at professional institutes. These computer center and coaching class equip them for better job opportunities. Seed Coaching Center aims to provide quality, holistic computer education and free coaching classes to children, orphan women, downtrodden people from poor economic background. We are happy and beatitude, euphoric to announce that these courses are absolutely free, financed by Seed in collaboration with the Quran Foundation, Hyderabad. In computer education, we provide MS Office, DCA, Diploma in Computer Application, Tally, Graphic Design, Typing, Digital Marketing, and Web Designing are yet to start. Hopefully, inshallah, from January, we will start these two new courses. Apart from these courses, we provide soft skills, spoken English, mathematics, English and reasoning for competitive examination as well. We, the people of Bihar, would like to express our gratitude from the heart of the hearts to Seed and the Quran Foundation. And every donor of Seed, may Allah provide them better reward here and hereafter. Thank you very much.